In this tutorial, we will learn a step-by-step approach for how to write a Python program to convert kilometers value into miles value. Let's begin with the basics. First, we will discuss the measuring units. As we know, kilometer and miles represent the unit of length. 1 kilometer equals 0.62137 miles. Miles equals kilometer into 0.62137, and kilometer equals miles by 0.62137. Hence, the value 0.62137 would be considered as the factor of conversion or the ratio for converting units. Step 1, we will define the variable for storing the value of kilometer 1 and accepting the input from the user. Step 2, now we will define and store the conversion factor into the variable. Step 3, then we will define the variable for storing the value of kilometer 1 which is converted into miles. Then in addition we will write the logic of converting kilometer to miles units. Step 4, at last, we will display the converted value by using the print function.
Let's run the code and see the output.
In this tutorial, we have discussed step by step of how to write a Python code for converting kilometer unit to miles unit.
Code is given in description. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.